Happy morning, students. Welcome to grade 6, day 23, English reading and writing class. Children, take your supplementary book, page number 11, that is lesson 4, the old clock shop. Up to last class, we have practiced, that is 4th unit, prose poem, and today we shall practice the supplementary, that is page number 11, the 4th lesson, 4th supplementary, the old clock shop. So listen carefully, children. Read louder. First listen and then you have to repeat along with me. Listen carefully. Look at the title. The Old Clock Shop. The Old Clock Shop. It's Christmas Eve and closing time for shops. Ray's old clock shop is still open. Two shoppers call at this late hour. Christmas Eve had arrived. As last-minute shoppers were going home, a thick white sheet of snow lay over Salt Lake City, USA. Yet the lights were still burning in the old clock shop as Ray, its old deaf owner, worked on a clock he had sold that day. Now repeat along with me, children. Read louder, pronounce it properly. It's Christmas Eve, E-V-E-Eve. It's Christmas Eve and closing time for shops. Ray's old clock shop is still open. Still, S-T-I-L-L. Still open. Two shoppers, look at the spelling, S-H-O-P is shop, double P-E-R-S is shoppers. Two shoppers call at this late hour. Christmas Eve had arrived. As last-minute shoppers were going home, a thick, T-H-I-C-K, thick white sheet of snow, S-N-O-W, snow, lay over Salt Lake, L-A-K-E, Salt Lake City, USA. Yet the lights were still burning, B-U-R-N-I-N-G, burning in the old clock shop as Ray, its old deaf owner, D-E-A-F, deaf owner, the O-W-N-E-R, owner, deaf owner, worked on a clock he had sold that day. Turn the next page, children, that is page number 12. Having finished his work, Ray stood up and was on his way to the back room when a cold rush of air from the front door hit the back of his neck. Again repeat it, children. Having finished his work, Ray, R-A-Y, Ray stood up and was on his way to the back room when a cold rush of air from the front door hit the back of his neck. Look at the next paragraph, children. He turned to meet a last-minute shopper, but his old wise eyes told him that this was not a shopper. He saw two men, one in his 20s, the other closer to 50. The younger man remained at the door. The older man approached the counter with no sign of friendliness in his eyes. Ray was able to hide his growing fear as he slowly pushed a notepad and a pencil across the counter. Now repeat along with me, children. Read louder. He turned to meet a last-minute, M-I-N-U-T-E, minute, a last-minute shopper, but his old wise eyes told him that this was not a shopper. He saw two men, one in his 20s, 20s, Twenties. Look at the spelling, 20s. The other closer to 50. The younger man, younger, younger, the younger man remained at the door. The older man approached. Look at the word, children. Approached. 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 The old man approached the counter. Approached the counter with no sign of friendliness. Friend is friendly. Ness, Ness. Friendliness in his eyes. Ray was able to hide his growing fear, 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 as he slowly pushed a notepad and a pencil across the counter. Next paragraph, children. He smiled at the unfriendly face, then pointed to his ears and shook his head from side to side. A quick look of surprise changed the man's face as he studied the notepad, then turned and said something to his friend. Again repeat, children. Read louder, pronounce it properly. He smiled at the unfriendly face, then pointed to his ears and shook his head from side to side. A quick look of surprise changed the man's face as he studied the notepad, then turned and said something to his friend. So children, practice up to this. Children, take your handwriting book, that is page number 16. The last class we have practiced up to page number 15, that is how to write the alphabets, that is small letter alphabets, that from A to Z we have practiced as a single letters. From today we are going to practice two letters, that is the first letter A, it mingles with the next letter, that is a A, B, C. Likewise in the alphabets up to Z. So look at this, children. First mention the date. Today's date 8/11/2021. First mention the date and look at the letters, children. That is small letter A. We join with the letter that is again small letter A. So here we are practicing two letters. How we have to join two letters. The next is small letter A with a small letter B. Next A, C, A, D, A, E. Likewise the alphabets have joined with the small letter A. So look at the first one. So now look at the first letter, children, that is small letter A. So start from here. So this is the starting point. Start from here, go above, bend down, touch this line, come down from the same path, go above, then come down. This is up to the small letter A. While you are joining the second letter, that is the next letter. So you should not start again the same way. Here the bending line, from this point you have to start the next letter. Start from here, go above, the same way, come down and then go above, touch this line, come down and bend. So this is small letter A. So here we have joined two letters. Now look at the next one, small letter A. The same position you have to do, small letter A and it joined with small letter B. Go above, come down, go above, put a knot. Then again look at me, start from here, go above, come down, then again go above the small letter C. So concentrate on your writing, children. The same position you have to practice the letter A. See, for the D, same way how you have written the letter A. But here you should go above. Touch the line. Same line have to come down. Bend here. Small letter D. Next small letter A. See, A joined with small letter E. So here for the small letters you have to use maximum this second line and within the third line. So start from here, the next small letter A, it should mingle with letter F. For the letter F, it should go above, bend, come down, touch the last line, again go above. Here in this position, have to put a knot. So here there must be a knot, small letter F. Again look at the letter F completed, the next letter G like the letter A, but you have to come down, put to bend like this, go above, small letter G. The next letter is the small letter H. So for the letter H, go above, bend, come down. Like small letter N, go above, come down and bend. Next is a small letter I. So start from here, go above, come down and then start from here, come down and keep the dot. This is I, small letter I. The next letter is the small letter J. So the same way how we have practiced the letter I. So it should go above, but here it should come down, touch this line and bend. Keep the dot. This is small letter J. Look at the next one. So start from here. So start from here, go above, come down and then again go above. So here the small letter D, come down and then here go above, bend, slide above. This is small letter K. Next to small letter L. This is easy, children. See, come here up to the small letter A. From here go above, bend, come down and then go above. Small letter L. The next is the small letter M. So start from here, then slightly it should go above, come down, bend, like this, small letter M. The next is the small letter N, is the half of the letter M. So come down, then go above, bend, touch this two lines, small letter N. The next is the small letter O. So start from here, go above, come down and then again go above, put a knot like this, small letter O. Next P, look at this, A letter and then for the letter P, see, start from here, come down and here it should not join from here. From this position you have to go above slightly, should not in the straight, a slanting. So this is small letter P. The next letter is small letter Q. So start from here, go above. This is small letter A. The next small letter Q. Like similarly, you have to practice like small letter A. But here you should come down and bend like this. Small letter Q. The next is the small letter R. So come down, go above. Here you should put a knot and come down. Small letter R. Next is the small letter S. See. For the small letter S, slanting line should go above, then here slide bend. So you should not put the knot here, slide bend. This is small letter S. The next look at this letter, small letter T. Come down, small letter A and should go above, come down and bend. Small letter T. The next is the small letter A. It will mingle with the small letter U. So for the letter U, you should touch this two lines. So here two lines. This is small letter U. The next look at this letter, small letter A. So come down, here a slanting should go and then come down, go above, put a knot here. Look at this knot. So this is small letter V. The next look at this small letter W. So look at me, it should go above, come down, again go above. This three lines should be in the same position. Put a knot here. Here also you should put knot like the letter V. So this is small letter W. Again look at me, small letter A will mingle with the next letter X. So look at the X, children, how you have to practice. See, like the similarly it looks like the small letter C. The next small letter Y. A it mingle with the small letter Y. Like U, but it should come down, bend here, go above. And the next letter is a small letter Z. So start from here, come down, go above. And then again come down, it should go above. This is small letter Z. So children, here we have practiced the two letters, how we have to join one letter with the another letter. So here we have practiced small letter A with the alphabet letters. So practice this once more. The same way, children, the next letter is small letter B should mingle with the alphabet, that is from A to Z. How we have practiced the letter A, B, C, D like this, that is a small letter. The same way you have to practice here, but here we have used the small letter B. So one more time I will practice the letter B, how you have to write it. So start from here, should go above and then bend down, come here, go above and put a knot. So this is small letter B. So practice this small letter B with the alphabet letters from A to Z. So concentrate on your writing, children. So children, practice first you have to practice the tracing letters and then will you have to go for the next letters. So from this class we have learned how to, that is how to write two letters, how to join one letter with the another letter. So concentrate on your writing and you have to do this tracing as well as the practice line. So children, take your supplementary book, that is lesson 4, the old clock shop, page number 11. Practice from page number 11 to page number 12. Before that last paragraph in page number 12. That is, read louder, pronounce it properly, open your mouth and read. After completing your reading practice, take your handwriting book, first mention the date and then will you have to write it, sharpen your pencil, concentrate on your writing, write page number 16, write it neatly. After completing your handwriting, take a photocopy and send it to me. Thank you.